So, it's the 100th episode of Robbie Sux. Hey, do you think we'd be here? 100 episodes in?
Did you say 100?
Yeah, 100.
No way.
Yeah, it's 100 episodes.
Sweet.
Yeah. Alright, so, yeah, I know we've been working on the BSA. We still are, but...
Yeah, because she's sitting right there.
She's still right there. We got a bunch of engine parts to install in a square body.
Yes.
We got a bunch of parts. We're going to pull a motor out today. And then maybe we'll do something with the BSA. You know, 100 episodes. It's crazy. Here it is.
Yeah, in all its glory.
What's wrong with it?
A teenager drove it for like 5,000 miles of NASCAR driving. So, yeah.
So now we're gonna pull it out. It's got a knock, right?
A tick. It might have a knock. We'll see.
Okay. Tick.
Hey.
Maybe a knock. What's happening? What's happening? It's chaos. Alright, so motor's out, as you can see. And now we're gonna work on maybe getting some stuff for the bike, because that was our big project for the day, is just get this motor out. Because if you see, there's a lot of parts over there that we were going to eventually install. Maybe not myself personally, but Martin has a bunch of plans for this motor. Alright guys, so I said that I would spend about $100 looking at products for the BSA, and I came across these shocks on this website. I'm going to post a picture right about here, and I think I'm going to get those, and they're roughly around $70. And then I also found some grips on Amazon that I really like, and I'm going to post a picture of them also right here as well. So I'm going to go ahead and buy those, and roughly they come out to about $100. I'm sure it's going to be a little more over shipping, but $100, 100th episode. Not a bad way to go. Also, check out the shirt. This is from my boy Matt. He's over at One Calf Designs. Look him up. Check him out. It's a real comfy shirt, actually. I like it a lot. So thanks, Matt. And let's get back to it. You know, I did want to sit there and say one thing real quick. We've been doing this for 100 episodes now, and the team and I, you know, we've grown a lot. We've learned a lot. Our lives are constantly changing, ever growing, and we just kind of want to take a look back and show like little clips of like the last few episodes, the last 100 episodes, see like how far we've come. But we do have big projects on the horizons, and I know we started with huge intentions and we wanted to get big things done, but life does have this weird way of rearing its head and, you know, kind of delaying things. But that's life though, right? And it's inevitable. You just gotta, you know, one thing I've always heard is, how do you eat an elephant? It's one bite at a time. So check out these clips, and then yeah, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking with us. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Robbie Sux. It's a little warm today. Yeah. Hey, you dirty Jew. Alright, so everything's installed, everything's connected, and I'm trying.
Hi. Okay, I'm Zach, and I'm with the Robbie Sux new channel, and
Remember, kids, safety first. Life vests on, boys.
Check 2.
What do you say, boys? Making a dash for it?
Martin, I'm not entirely sure that's right. What are you? Same thing goes for a high pressure. Power sucking gives you. Remember, it's okay to suck, just don't give up.
Nice, Rich. What? Somebody with some really small hands and small forearms. I wonder who that could be.
Robbie Sux.
Say bye, Dad.
Hey, have a good one, people.
Okay, so we pulled a motor and we got some parts for the BSA. Not a bad way to spend $100 on the 100th episode of Robbie Sux. Holy smokes, 100 episodes. Hey, if you guys have been with us from the beginning, I appreciate you. We're hoping to do this for what, maybe 100 more, Martin? What do you think?
Well, we'll see.
We'll see. Anyway.
Sponsor us.
But hey, speaking of sponsors, if you guys want to support the channel, hit up RobbieSuxStore.com. We've got a bunch of merch there, hats, stickers, shirts, hoodies. We're always like trying to come up with new ideas. We haven't really made new merch lately, but we have plenty of it. So
Life. Been busy.
we've been busy. Always like, subscribe, and keep coming back for more. We got more BSA stuff coming, and a few projects here and there that are going to be sprinkled throughout. But as always, we love you, and we'll see you next time.
Yep.
Peace.
Peace.